something new. Let's open it up. I've been using Bootstrap Farmer trays and cups for the last several years, and I love them. They are so sturdy. They have a homestead starter set. It was a really good deal. Look it has 3 of these domes, and y'all, are you seeing this? Look how heavy duty these are. Like, that's thick. And look, it has humidity control on them. The only domes I've ever had are the ones that you get from the big box stores that come with the little flimsy plastic trays, and they break like the first season. 3 of the domes, and then all of these cups that I'm pulling out. And then it also has this new style. Look, they're like 6-cell little tray pots. I just love this color palette. It makes me feel happy. And they're made out of the same heavy duty cups. If you guys have never held one of these cups in your hands and felt how strong they are, I hope you have a chance to feel them one day so you can tell. And then you get these deep trays. You get 3 deep trays. They're the same, y'all. They're full of plants, soil, seeds, water. They don't give. Like, they are heavy duty. So I can stack my cups in. This is what I have already. You get for 5 of these shallow ones. But then we also got 5 of these inserts. Insert into either the shallow or the deep. But look, I can stick my cups in there and they won't fall over if I don't have it all the way completely full. I'm able to just lift it all the way up and like pour a bunch of water in there for bottom watering. I love that they do this all in like a starter kit or a starter set. I'm not affiliated with Bootstrap Farmer. I just really love them. Go to bootstrapfarmer.com. You can look up their homestead starter set and check it out and see, like, this stuff just does not break and mess up the way that the stuff from the big box stores do. These are legit. The Bootstrap Farmer is certainly worth the investment. Now I gotta fill them all with dirt.